Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be starting a new topic, logical reasoning. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the origin of logic and define propositions for you. In essence, and the end of this video, you should be able to know, you should be able to define logic and explain what proposition means. What do we mean by logic? When we say logic is the study of the way people reason. That is, if you want to understand, how people reason, so then that study is known as logic. And the first person to introduce this concept that is logic is called is known as the philosopher Aristotle. And he first of all introduced what we know as traditional logic, which is the way of representing logical statements leading to a conclusion. But when we say mathematical logic, which is what we are going to be covering in this video, mathematical logic deals with sentences which are either true or false. So when we are thinking about statement or sentence that are either true or false, but not both. I hope you understand now. So then we are talking about mathematical logic. Mathematical logic. If you don't forget, I said it deals with sentences that what? That are either true or false, but not both. So this statement is called proposition. Propositions. So when we say a proposition, what is a proposition? That is a statement that is either true, a statement that is either true or false, but not what? But not both. So you can't have a statement if a statement is not true or it is not false, then it is not a proposition. I hope you understand now. So when we now have the truth or falsity of a proposition, when I say the truth or falsity of a proposition, let me give you an example now. If I say Ibadan is the capital city of Oyo State, indeed, this statement is a proposition because it is what? It is true. I hope you understand now. So since we know it is true now, then its truth value is what? Is true. I hope you understand that. So that's what I'm trying to say now. That is when we have the truth, you can have the truth. So the truth is denoted by T. Likewise, the falsity, which is denoted as F of a proposition, is its truth value. So it means when you want to know the truth value of a statement, then you check whether it is true or false. So then if it is true, then its truth value is T. If it is false, its truth value is what? Is F. I hope you understand that. So for example, like the example I gave the other time, example Ibadan is the capital city of Oyo State. This is a statement, indeed is a proposition, because we can determine whether it is what? It is true or false. I hope you understand now. So what is this statement? Is it true or false? Ibadan is the capital city of Oyo State. It is true. Then we say this statement has a truth value T. I hope you understand that. So, but when I say on the other hand, maybe for example, if I say 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. So it is also a statement, and we can know whether it is true or false. It is a proposition. So, but is it true or false? It is what? It is false. Then it will has a truth value of what? So truth value of F. So the truth value of F. I hope you understand. In essence, a truth or falsity of a proposition is a truth value. So it is truth value. Then when this proposition, that is A and B, we call them what? They are called closed sentence. So they are both closed sentences. Why are they called closed sentences? Because they are what? They are either true or what? Or false. So similarly, we can have an open sentence. So for example, if I have another example now, then I now say the well is shallow. You know, this is a statement, but this is not a proposition because we can't determine whether it is what? It is true or false. It is difficult to determine whether it is true or false. So this type of statement is known as what? Open sentence. I hope you understand that. So this is known as open sentence. And you have to know that your sentence can also come in terms of what? It can come in terms of questions. So it can come in terms of exclamation. Even it can come in terms of commands or expression. But you have to note that when they come in this form, then they are not categorized as what? As proposition, because you can't say whether they are true or false. I hope you understand now. So for example now, if I say what is your name, indeed, what is your name is a statement, but it is not a proposition because it is a question. We can't determine whether it is what. So whether it is true or false, we can't determine its truth value. I hope you understand now. So, or when you say, how are you? Good luck. So these are just a statement. So they are not a proposition. So let me give you an example to back it up if you understand this. Example. So example, which of the statement, or let me say which of the following is a proposition? Is a proposition. Number one, Nigeria is the most populous black nation. Most populous black nation. Is this a proposition? Indeed, it's a statement, but is this a proposition? It is a proposition because it is true. You will see that its truth value is what? So the truth value is T because Nigeria is the what? Is the most populous black nation in Africa. Sorry. So in Africa. Yeah, even it is true, even if you don't put in Africa, even in the world, I don't even need to put Africa. The most populous black nation is Nigeria. Yeah, it's a statement, it's true. Okay, now what if I say go away? You know, go away is a command. Is it a proposition? It is not a proposition. It's just a statement. It's not a proposition. Okay, what if I say good luck? Good luck, guys. Or a statement I used to say at the beginning of my video. Hi, everyone. Or hi, everyone. Hi, everyone is a statement, but it is what? It is not a proposition. So it is not a proposition. So when you have this, something of this nature, that is a set of natural number is a subset of an integer. So this is a proposition. Indeed, it is true. So it is true. It has a truth value of what? Of T. So you can see that the statement A and B, statement A and B, statement A and B are what? Are propositions. Sorry, statement A and D. Statement A and D are proposition, while what? While statement B, I made a mistake. Let me just write this guy. So we have statement A and D as proposition, while statement B and C are not. They are just a statement. So it means we can conclude adequately now that note that all propositions are what? All propositions are statement, but the converse is not true. All propositions are statement, but what? But not all statements are what? But not all statement, but not all statement are what? Are propositions. So not all statement are proposition, but all proposition are statement. I hope you understand now. So again, when we say a proposition, that is a statement that can either be true or false, but not what? But not both. So if you understand this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video where I'm going to explain different types of proposition we have and different type of statements. So we have simple statement, we have compound statement. So then I'm going to explain to you some of the connective we are going to be using. If you understand this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your colleagues. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.